Hi there guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make these beautiful stuffed peppers. Ingredients: peppers, salt, onion and coriander, mixed vegetables, 3-4 eggs, some chilies and some oil. Slice the peppers to about 1/2 inch wide. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Add the veggies. Then add the onions. Add chilies to taste. Generous amount of coriander. Add salt to taste. And then blend all the mixture together thoroughly. Heat a griddle, add some oil, and start sizzling your peppers. This is an amazing non-stick griddle pan that we got from John Lewis a few years ago. It's excellent for that grilled effect. Give the omelette mixture a final mix and then start adding into the peppers. There will be some leakage here and there, but don't worry, you can just snip it off and turn it around. Once cooked on both sides, remove and serve on a platter. I'm sure all your guests will love this beautiful, colourful pepper idea. You can stuff it with any kind of fillings you like. I hope you enjoy making this super quick and easy recipe. Stay tuned in for the next episode. Thank you for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Please share and like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.